If you own a Samsung Galaxy smartphone, you may need to enable maintenance mode at some point. Maintenance mode allows you to perform advanced functions and troubleshooting on your phone. In this video, we'll show you how to do this. To enable maintenance mode, first go to the settings menu. Then tap on the battery and device care option. Then enable the toggle for maintenance mode. Your phone will restart in the selected mode. From here, you can perform a variety of advanced functions including wiping the cache partition, rebooting the phone and testing various hardware components. When you're finished using maintenance mode, simply select the Reboot System Now option to exit. Similarly, you can disable maintenance mode from the settings option. And that's it. Now you know how to use maintenance mode on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Thanks for watching, and for everything tech, log on to Gadgets360.